So this is how you make deposits. Before you click on invite to refer people, you need to deposit first. So to deposit, click on recharge. So you select this safe pay. The minimum to deposit is 53. I've already made a deposit of 5,300. So I want to deposit another 53 so that I will have a balance of 10,000 plus working for me. 5,003. Click on recharge. You can deposit more than that, but this is the minimum. Okay, I'm using this as an example. So when you click on recharge, you wait for it to load up. All right, so it will bring up this place asking you to pay with card or transfer. I recommend paying with transfer unless your bank card is working very well. So you click on pay with transfer. So you copy this account details, send money to it. After making sending money to it, you click on I have transferred. Let me do that. All right, I've made my payments. So you come back here, click on I have transferred the money. So you just need to wait. Okay, so you need to wait. So if you get this response, transfer not received yet, don't worry. Wait for like 10 minutes. You click on I have transferred the money again. If it doesn't work, wait for like another 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Keep doing it till you get a success message. So let's wait. All right, so you can see payment has been confirmed already. So just like I stated, after 10 to 20 minutes, you click on I have transferred. So my deposit has reflect. So that's how you deposit. Then you click on work, click on buy, and do your task on VIP1. Okay.